Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix keyboard disappeared on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart. So you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search keyboard from here. For example, this is keyboard. Click on keyboard and click on storage and cache. Clear cache keyboard. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on again settings app. Scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings and click on reset. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.